What's up, Tigers, and welcome back to another episode of KTTV. I'm your host, Neve. Tomorrow, we don't have school, but make sure to dress up for the last spirit day of the regular football season. Wear your best red, white, and blue attire to show your school spirit and honor all of our veterans. On Wednesday, November 9th, Herb Jones will be on campus to take orders for cap and gown and graduation announcements. They will be in the gym foyer from 3 to 6 p.m. Now for club news. The Katy Student Council and FFA are conducting a food drive versus Taylor High School. The food drive will help pantries keep their shelves stocked to help raise awareness for hunger in our community. Make sure that everyone has a good meal this holiday season. Bring your canned goods and non-perishable items to Legacy Stadium November 4th. There will be a collection box outside. The high school that wins will be announced at halftime. The German Club meets on Thursday, November 3rd at 2:45. Come learn about the fall of the Berlin Wall and do a fun activity. The Spanish National Honor Society will meet next Tuesday, November 8th in room A103 to have our monthly meeting. Remember to bring your club shirt and for the annual picture. We will be celebrating Puerto Rico and Cuba. The Bowling Club will be holding registration and team placement from 3:30 to 5 p.m. on November 8th, 10th, 14th, and 16th at Times Square Entertainment. Bowlers of all levels are welcome to join. They will be able to teach you if you don't know how. See Ms. Roscoe in B113 if you have any questions. The KTTV Sportz comedy team will have their first event on November 9th at 7 p.m. in the Black Box Theater. Tickets are $5. Come out and support our Tigers. Now for sports with Katie.
Today, sub-varsity football will play the Taylor Mustangs. Freshmen at Tiger Stadium and JV at Taylor. Games start at 4:30 and 6:30 p.m. On Friday, girls basketball will face off Cy Ridge and freshmen B at Jordan. Games start at 4, 5:30, and 7 p.m. Also on Friday, JV swimming will host the Tiger Feast. Finally, varsity football will take on Taylor Friday night at Legacy. Kickoff is at 5:30 on the home side. Show up, be loud, and support our Tigers. On Saturday, boys basketball will scrimmage at Dulles High School starting at 9:30 a.m. This is a closed scrimmage and no spectators will be allowed. Lastly, JV swimming will host the Tiger Feast. Warm-ups start at 6 a.m. That's all for today, Tigers. Make sure to follow us on social media at Katy Tiger Media for more school and sports updates. Go Tigers!